What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Jeep Gladiator remote key fob. This Jeep Gladiator key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob and we take a look at the bottom of it, down here near the key ring, we see there's this notch right here that I'm putting the end of the screwdriver in. What I'm going to do is stick my screwdriver in that notch and then just twist it like that. And as I do that, it pops this back cover up. Once we get that cover off, we see our battery right here. There's a little notch in this battery holder right here that will allow you to get your screwdriver in there and get on the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Like that. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. Then we'll snap the back cover on. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.